Hello everyone, today we are going to understand the six powerful processor data driving the modern artificial intelligence: CPU, GPU, TPU, NPU, LPU, DPU. Each processor has a different role in AI world, so let's understand them in a very simple way. CPU, Central Processing Unit. So first, CPU, which stands for the Central Processing Unit. CPU is called the brain of computer. It's handle the general tasks like running the operating system, like opening the app and managing the overall system operation. CPU are very flexible, great for the single performance task, but it went to heavy applications like AI calculation and parallel processing. CPU become the slower compared to GPU. That's why CPU are mainly used for orchestration and pre-processing. Now I'm coming to the GPU. So GPU is called a graphics processing unit. Originally, GPU were built for the gaming and graphics, but today they are the backbone for the AI training. GPU have thousands of small core that can perform many calculations at the same time. This massive parallelism makes GPU perfect for the training deep learning model like Chat GPT, image generation model, and AI research. The downside of GPU is consume the high power and very expensive. Next is the TPU. So TPU is Tensor Processing Unit, right? TPU were developed by the Google for AI and Tensor application. These chips have a highly optimized for the machine learning workload and offer excellent performance per watt. Google used the TPU port to train the huge AI model at scale. However, TPU are mostly connected with the Google Cloud ecosystem and less flexible than the GPU. Now, next is the NPU, Neural Processing Unit. So NPU are designed on device AI. It's only designed for the on device AI. You can find them inside the smartphone, tablet, and edge device. They run AI features like face unlock, camera AI, voice assistant, and the real time translation directly on your device. The biggest advantage of low power consumption and fast response without internet connections. But TPU are mainly for the inference and can't train the huge AI model. The next one is the LPU, which means language processing unit. So LPU are especially designed for ultra fast AI interface, especially for the large language model, and their goal is to reduce the latency and generate the AI response extremely fast. This make them the ideal for the real-time AI assistant and the conversational AI application. But LPU are require the highly specialized chip and usually require the multiple connected unit for large scale workload, right? So next one is a DPU, data processing unit. So DPU are mostly used inside the data centers and cloud infrastructure. So they handle networking, security, storage, routing, and the traffic management. Okay, by overloading this task, DPU free the CPU to focus more on AI workload and application. So these are not a consumer chip; they are the enterprise level infrastructures. So these are the six important processor powering the modern AI: CPU for the general computing, GPU for AI training, TPU for the TensorFlow workload, NPU for the mobile AI, LPU for the real-time language model, and DPU for the data center infrastructure. So the future of AI will depend only the smart model. It's the future of AI is depend not only the smart model but also on the smart hardware. So thanks for watching. Follow for more AI and technology content.